If you love hosting outside or just sitting by the fire at night, let me show you this 3-in-1 wood-burning fire pit, which has such a smart setup. First, it works as a classic fire pit. It's perfect for those cool evenings on the patio or at the cabin. But what makes it different is the rotating table feature. You can swing it over and instantly turn it into a table for drinks or snacks, or use the large cooking grate to grill burgers, veggies, or s'mores. The bowl is made from heavy-duty steel, and it feels solid and stable with the 4 legs, even on uneven ground. Assembly is straightforward and doesn't take too long. And I also like that it has wheels with a brake, so you can move it around your yard without struggling, then lock it into place. Overall, this is such a great find. If you want something that's functional but also creates that cozy, gather around the fire feeling, this one really does it all. Definitely check it out. This is a great find.